don't know where we're going. I just know that my husband told me to get ready. And I tried my best because everything I own is in boxes. So I got my synthetic wig on because I still can't figure out how to rock my real hair. I feel like my makeup is off by a few shades, but not really.
Hey guys, Mommy's not bringing you.
No, I'm not bringing anyone.
No,
love
bringing
you. Maddie, come say bye. I love you. Love you, bye. Have fun.
We'll take her in the room and go play.
Have fun.
Good.
So people, I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. And the sun is like hot and I don't know, I feel weird. I tried to do my makeup as best as I possibly could without, because all my makeup is packed away, all my clothes is packed away. So I'm like, how you gonna tell me to get dressed? And we're living out of boxes. How is the girl supposed to get dressed with nothing? But I did it, Joe. And yesterday when he told me to go get my nails and stuff done, I didn't know he had plans. Like, look at this. Yeah, maybe next year I'll be ready for Mother's Day. But this year, your girl is not ready at all. Nope. But I'm excited to go hang out with my husband. No kids. Put your belt on. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, no kids. Oh. What? I don't even know where I'm going. Like, but I'm excited because what? We don't have no kids. Like, Taco Bar. A Taco Bar. Yeah, I can get all this dressed up to go to a Taco Bar.
You felt good, didn't you?
I'm not going to nobody's Taco Bar like this.
Yeah.
I need to at least take off a few more layers. I thought we were going to go sit down to go eat. Not no Taco Bar. A Taco Bar. It's okay. I'll go to a Taco Bar and be like all fine and like what? Ooh, no, ooh, take it back, what? Ooh, no. Anyways, people, I'll see you guys in a little bit because my battery's like dying because I wasn't even prepared for this little date. Ooh, I'm on a date. You see this handsome chunk right here? This is my date. Like, oh, so handsome. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. People, he was actually serious. We're going to a Taco Bar. I'm not getting out of this car. I'm not, look at that. I'm not, no, not all of this fineness is not going to sit in nobody's Taco Bar. Sorry. A Taco Bar though? A Taco Bar? This man got me dressed up to go to a Taco Bar. I don't get it. Why? Jesus, why? But I'm pretty sure he just came here to get some stuff. Because I'm pretty sure he didn't get me dressed up to go to no Taco Bar. And I'm not being petty, but I'm just saying, could throw on a t-shirt and everything. I didn't get dressed up to go to no Taco Bar. Let me stop ranting. So guys, we're here. I don't know if I should take my camera or leave it because I don't have a pocketbook. I couldn't find a pocketbook that matched my outfit. I don't have a black pocketbook. I have brown and cream. I have on a black shoe, so I can't take you guys with me. So the program doesn't start until 7 and it's 6 o'clock, but he said it's supposed to be filled up and my battery's dying. Great. Guys, it's like after 10 o'clock and I couldn't take you guys because my battery, my battery died. Well, my battery was dying, but we went to see Shirley Caesar, Fred Hammond, Don McClurkin. We saw all the gospel, like all my favorite gospel singers were like right there. And the thing that made me like so emotional is being under the same roof as Shirley Caesar. Like we were in the front and being able to see her, and like it's just so surreal. Like I'm gonna have to explain to you guys later. Like it was so surreal being in the same space as Shirley Caesar. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's I don't know. 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's
past your bedtime.
Past my bedtime. It's way past my bedtime. But I have something for him that I have to give to him.
I can't wait.
But
you have a special surprise for me?
I'm exhausted, so I don't even know half the shit I'm talking about. So I will see you guys. It's been a fun day. Thank you guys for hanging out with us and bullshitting with us all freaking day long. I have one more day and then the goddamn weekend is over. Can't wait for it to be over. Cause I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm too old for this shit. Way too old. So, battery's dying. I'm about to be home. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye guys.